Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving weekend. Today is a quick video about this new welding machine that Lincoln just came out with. I saw it on their website and I was like, God damn, what they're trying to do. That's right. And before I start this video, guys, don't forget to follow me and my social media: TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Insta. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. That will help me a lot. So without further ado, let's go into the video. So Lincoln just came out with the new welding machine. How is it new? Well, they put a screen on it, just like they did on the 210 MP, which I bought, and it was a good welding machine. And they also put a screen on the Ranger. On the Ranger though, they changed the whole body, which is nice. It's more compact and looks futuristic. And now they came out with the 400 Frontier X. That's right. They have two versions of this welding machine. They have the construction version, which is more for companies that rent out these welding machines and equipment. And now they have also the Pi version, which is more for pipeline, they said, which, you know, it looks pretty cool. It looks badass, you know. I'm not gonna lie. You know, having that screen right there, it's like, whoa, you know, what's going on here? But I don't know, guys. I mean, the screen is nice, but we'll see how it does, you know. So far, if you guys go to the website, to the Lincoln website, you can order or see who got the construction version, and on the Pi version it says coming soon. But I'm pretty sure if you want to buy it, they probably can get it to you. I think they're gonna still make it in Canada, I'm not sure, but it's pretty much a vintage machine with the screen on it, guys. It's a 7-inch screen. It's impact resistant, and I'm pretty sure it's water resistant too. It has the Perkins engine. I don't think it's gonna be available in the Kubota, only the Perkins, which is what my machine has, the 300 MP. This one, it has the same engine, Perkins, 24 horsepower and 1,000 torque. I'm just kidding. 1,000 rams of torque and 1,000 horsepower of diesel engine, turbo charger, and, you know, a lot of auxiliary power, that's for sure. So when I had my 210 MP little welding machine, that screen was kind of neat, you know. It's a screen. It's like a phone, you know. You like your phone, it has a screen, it has two knobs. This one I think is the same setup, and you know, it remembers stuff that you weld with. And also now it has a pin that if you put a pin, you know, you have to put the pin in order to use it. So I think that's a good feature, I guess. But other than that, guys, that's all I know about this welding machine. You know, Perkins engine, 7-inch screen. It has the body of a vintage machine. Everything's the same. I think it uses a vintage body, everything, even the engine. But they put a screen, so it has a different motherboard. Everything's different in that department. All right, but how good is it, or how good it's gonna be, only time will tell. You know, we'll see. We saw what happens with the cross country. Everybody not really liking it, you know. But we'll see, guys. But other than that, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys having a good day, a safe day. But other than that, ciao.